So, we are here to learn about course marketplaces, how to make a digital income online, and we have landed right here at Skillshare. And no matter its mixed reviews, its teachers or you would be paid by the amount out of the teacher fund every month by minutes watched. So, unlike Udemy, where the course marketplace is all you have to do is kind of have your course up there, have it listed and decide if you want to run ads to it, decide if you want to share it, decide, that you get paid on like individual sales, like in Udemy, you get paid by minutes watched in Skillshare. But what I wanted to show you is Skillshare does help their teachers by releasing some in-demand topics. And here you can go to Skillshare or type Skillshare help. And once again, guys, this is all built around joining the CIA. That's the CourseIncomeAccelerator.com, where I teach you from any walk of life how to take any skill. And so Skillshare here, if you notice right now, currently, this is in-demand topics. This article highlights what Skillshare members are actively searching for, where we see opportunity and how you can use top search topics to help your content get discovered. Now they release this. And like I said, you can go to Skillshare.com, in-demand topics, and it will link you right to this. And they even teach you how to use this data and how to find your next class topic, how to leverage it for discovery, expand your offerings. And what I found really cool is they show you what's in demand right now. So if you're thinking like, oh, well, I just have watercolor skills or graphic design or Canva or After Effects, and you see your skills on this top 10 list, just know that you can create a teacher account or just create a student account, and you can get into Skillshare and you can start searching topics around watercolor, what you see. And then also you can create topics around watercolor that you don't see, as far as there could be a demand for that, as it is in the third position. Every new platform or some new AI tech, like it's still, people are going to want to learn. They're going to think like, how can I make money with this? They're going to think like, how can I use this in my business? How can we integrate? How can we change or switch or blend? So there's going to be a lot of income opportunities for creating digital assets, even with AI on the rise. I know there's a lot of people thinking like, oh, that's all out, information is free, right? But the one thing that you can't get is the human experience with the stuff. And so that's just my take on that. But you guys just think about it like, okay, you create 5 courses and you go to a couple different marketplaces. And let's say one of these is performing really well on one platform, we'll start cross-promoting them to others. And that's what the Course Income Accelerator teaches. We teach you how to create digital assets from photo, video, to courses, to getting paid for just like what you already know. And we have that checklist. You can drop your email at Course Income Accelerator, and I will fire you over some ways, some quick start ways just to get started for free. If you just want the free information to get started here, this information is good enough for you to go ahead and get started even right now. So high opportunity areas, these are topics in class formats where we tend to see demand and hear an interest in from students. Consider how you can incorporate these insights into your class. Now, the last thing I do want to say on Skillshare is when you do create on Skillshare, you are creating a class. Okay, so you are doing like a mini project and you are linking, or you are adding the project, or you are like having a demo uploaded at the end of the class and a discussion board. Or you're saying like, successful students will edit this photo or their own photo, follow the steps, and submit the results at the end of the class. So everything you're doing here, it's a course, but imagine it as it's a course with homework, and the best videos that tend to work best are like 5-minute videos, 5-minute videos, 5-minute videos for a total of 20 minutes to teach one skill, or maybe an hour, depending on what you're teaching. How the site wants even teachers to be successful, that they even list their in-demand topics and they show you how to use this information. This is very like clear cut and helpful. They're even saying like you can teach AI topics, and so classes focus on AI for creatives. Aligned with our AI principles, we know Skillshare can be a meaningful destination for creators and creative people to learn and explore how to use AI effectively and ethically without replacing what makes creativity so powerful, the human behind it. All right, guys, check out the Course Income Accelerator if you want to get started. It's literally the cheapest price to change your life, $99. We do offer email support, but I want you to join the CIA so you can make a digital income online. And that's the Course Income Accelerator. Later, guys.